Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is December 4th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with Forever Notes, a promising new framework for Apple Notes users. Designed by Matthias Hilser, this free tool aims to streamline digital note-taking and knowledge management. It's built to be scalable and user-friendly, allowing users to set it up once and maintain it with minimal effort. Key features include easy navigation through clickable links and the ability to review past entries effortlessly. Currently in beta, the framework encourages a reflective practice by looking back on notes from days, months, or even years. Users can engage with the community through platforms like YouTube and Instagram and subscribe to a newsletter for tips. Hilse acknowledges the influence of productivity experts in shaping the framework, and feedback is welcomed as it evolves. In a significant development, Apple has announced its use of Amazon Web Services' custom AI chips, specifically for services like search. This was revealed at the AWS reInvent conference, where Apple's Senior Director of Machine Learning, Benoit Dupin, highlighted the efficiency gains from Amazon's Inferentia and Graviton chips, which have improved performance by 40%. Apple is also exploring Amazon's Trainium 2 chip for pre-training AI models, signaling a shift towards these chips for new AI capabilities. This collaboration underscores Apple's long-standing relationship with AWS, which it has used for services like Siri and Apple Music. The move away from NVIDIA graphics processors for AI training is part of Apple's strategy to reduce costs and enhance generative AI capabilities, including the recent launch of Apple Intelligence. Turning to legal news, Apple is facing a lawsuit from current employee Amar Bakhter, who alleges illegal surveillance and censorship of workers. Filed in Santa Clara County, California, the lawsuit claims Apple's policies require employees to use company devices, leading to invasive monitoring and monetization of personal data. Bakhter argues these practices violate California labor laws, particularly regarding discussions of compensation and working conditions. The lawsuit adds to previous complaints against Apple over labor practices, including accusations of illegal confidentiality agreements. Apple has yet to respond to these allegations. In hardware news, a teardown of the M4 MacBook Pro by iFixit reveals Apple's continued focus on design over repairability. Despite improvements in other devices, the M4 MacBook Pro features soldered storage and a challenging battery replacement process. While some ports are modular, the overall repairability score is expected to remain low, around 4 out of 10. This trend is frustrating for users needing repairs, as it often requires replacing the entire laptop. Apple's reluctance to redesign for better repairability raises concerns, especially as hardware replacement cycles lengthen. On a more positive note, Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, emphasizes the company's commitment to health technology, asserting that Apple's health apps will define its legacy. In a recent interview, Cook discussed the launch of Apple Intelligence, Apple's entry into generative AI, which aims to enhance user experience while prioritizing privacy. He highlighted Apple's focus on device-based AI tools, ensuring user data security. Cook also mentioned a partnership with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into Apple products, showcasing a focus on user-friendly applications. Looking ahead, Cook remains optimistic about the longevity of the iPhone and future innovations in health technology. In international news, Apple plans to invest $1 billion in Indonesia, as announced by the country's Minister of Investment, Rosan Roslani. This investment aims to lift a ban on the sale of the iPhone 16, imposed due to non-compliance with local content requirements. The formal investment proposal is expected soon, reflecting Apple's commitment to meeting local regulations and expanding its market presence in Indonesia. For those interested in nutrition tracking, the FitBee app for iPhone offers a comprehensive food database with over 1 million entries. This ad-free app prioritizes user privacy and features free barcode scanning, meal logging, and integration with Apple Health. The latest update allows meal logging from any app's share menu, enhancing user convenience. While users appreciate its ease of use, suggestions for improvement include multi-device sync and a pantry feature for frequently used foods. Finally, A team of engineers has developed the Flexbar, a standalone version of the MacBook Pro's Touch Bar. This USB-connected device is compatible with multiple devices and offers greater customizability than the original Touch Bar. A Kickstarter campaign is underway to fund the product, with delivery expected by February 2025. While the Flexbar shows promise, potential backers should be aware of the risks associated with new products from first-time companies. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.